guess what holds the power to bring a marvelous transformation in human life?
Is it our dressing style or our food habits?
Hold on. It's speech.
Yes, speech is power.
Speech has a strength to end wars.
It has the magic to ignite patriotism. It awakens the spirit of unity and togetherness.
So, dear friends, let's open our minds and tune our ears because we are about to witness the power of words, a speech that will inspire and uplift. Speech by Shreya Singh of Class 10A.
Eminent and esteemed dignitaries, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as our tricolor flutter high in the sky, we come together not just to celebrate our independence. We come together to salute the past, a past built on courage, sacrifice, and unshakable belief on a dream of an independent India. When we speak of independence, we often remember 15th August 1947, the India broke the chains of colonial rules. But behind that historic moment lies the decades of struggles, where countless men, women gave their lives and blood, sweats, and struggle, where countless men, women gave their lives for a dream called India. From Mahatma Gandhi's path of non-violence to the Bhagat Singh fearless defense, from Rani Lakshmibai battlefield courage to the countless unsung heroes. Their sacrifice gave us a dream of freedom. But my friends, our story of sacrifice did not end in 1947. The torch of bravery was passed back to the guardians of our borders, our soldiers. From the icy height of Kargil to the scorching desert of Rajasthan, from the turbulent seas, they have stood watch so that we may sleep on peace. Many have returned wrapped in tricolors, heroes who gave up their tomorrow for our todays. When we salute the past, we salute every soldier who charged forward in the face of bullet, every family who sent their loved one to serve the nations. Many have returned wrapped in tricolors to the heroes. Every martyrized whose name may not be written in books, but etched forever in the heart of Bharat. Independence is not just a historical achievement, but it is a responsibility. Our soldiers protected it every day. We must honor it every day. We can do not only by remembering their sacrifices, but by living as a responsible citizen, being honest, united, and committed to the progress of motherland. To salute the past is to remember that freedom we enjoy was brought at a price no currency can repay. It means carrying forward the values our soldiers lived or died for unity, courage, and honesty for the motherland. Friends, freedom is not just a right to live as we choose. It is a duty to live in a way that honors those who made it possible. It endures the years of struggles where they might never shine. Surely we can work for a stronger, clear, kinder, and the India for the generation yet to come. Independence is not just a historical achievement. Let the wave the flag but not live by it. Let our action be our salute. Let our unity be our tribute. We salute the past, we honor the present, and we pledge for the future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.